This is all you need to know about the showering and toilet situation at Tomorrowland. Okay, first off, let me say the cleaning team at Tomorrowland were exceptional. They all deserve medals. The things they had to deal with in those toilets, wow. Honestly, we have never seen such a clean, well-kept festival. We would leave for the day, they would be cleaning the toilets, they would be pristine, the showers would be clean, and even the campsites were clean during the day. So by the time we came back at night, all the rubbish had disappeared. We were very grateful. So the toilets are set up in different groups of cubicles, so they're all dotted around the festival site and the camping area. There was actually quite a lot of toilets. You didn't really need to line up for very long if you did. If you walk further to the back of the camping site, you'll generally get a shower straight away and a toilet straight away, just because most people are heading towards the front. It's basically just rows, blocks of sort of portaloos, but a little more fancy. Big roll of toilet paper, and then usually a foot flush. So it's still flushing toilets, which was fantastic. So basically an elevated portaloo. Now, obviously, because this is a festival with thousands of people, there will be times when the bathrooms are not good, but trust me, that cleaning team will come through like champions, and by the time you come back, it will all be clean again, which is really, really nice. Regarding showers, there are 2 showering options for you in this camping area, the Magnificent Greens. There are free outdoor showers, which this year looked a bit like flowers and the water was coming out of the petals. Hard to explain, but just trust me, it was really cool. And they're dotted around outside of shower areas that are indoor showers. So you can either head to just these big pedals, which probably fit maybe 20 people around them, so quite big. And that ran with warm water. So you can have a warm shower, but you are basically out in the open with everyone walking past you and then tents right next to you. For the paid shower option, usually there was a big line for the men, which was kind of interesting. And then the women's I walked through every time, which is pretty funny. That one you pay about 2 to 3 pearls, like porter showers, for lack of a better word. You have a bench in the middle where you can put your things, hang your towel up, or you can sort of throw them over the door like I did. And then you just head into a free shower, press the button, and the water is nice and warm, and that lasts for 30 seconds. You do need to bring all your own toiletries for this and for the outside one as well. So just be prepared to bring some shower gel and things that you need. But honestly, being able to have a shower, fantastic. It was just such a well-kept festival. There's even wooden pathways so you're not walking on dirt. That meant a lot to me personally. Once you have dirt and mud in the equation, that's a tough sell. But these wooden floors, incredible. For a festival experience, if I can have a shower in the morning, I have bathrooms that are pretty clean to go to. That makes for a fantastic experience. So in regards to hygiene, Tomorrowland, you get 10 out of 10. If you've enjoyed this video, please like, please subscribe. We would love to hear from you what your thoughts were. And I just hope that you have an incredible time if you get to go. And I'll see you on the next video. Bye.